Hi, my name is Agnieszka, and today I will show you how you can quickly calculate the break-even point for your business. So let's get started. Now that we are in our spreadsheets, we can start calculating our break-even point. Now please note I am using Excel, but you can use any other spreadsheet software. So we're going to start by filling this little table here. So in my example, the price per unit will be 100. Our variable costs will include materials and delivery, and it will be 50 and 10, which means that our total variable costs are 60. So this plus that. And our contribution is basically our price per unit less the variable cost. So we have 40 here, and in my example, the total fixed cost will be 2,000. So once we have this information, we can fill in our table down here. So we're going to start with the units sold, and I will start at 20, but this will depend on how many units you usually sell in your business. So I'm just going to drag it to 80 here. And then our revenue will be the units sold times our price per unit. And here I want to put little dollar signs because it will make my life much easier. And you just drag it. And then fixed costs are 2,000. And again, I'll put dollar signs here just so my formula works properly. And lastly, we have our variable costs here. Again, units times our total variable cost. And again, I want to put a little dollar signs here and then just drag and drop it. Then our total expenses will be fixed costs plus variable expenses, and just drag it, and profit is our revenue less total expenses. All right, so you can see here in the profit column, we have some amounts on minus and some of them on plus. And this is exactly what we are looking for, because here we can see that our break-even point is at 50 units. So at 50 units, we are not making any profit, but we're also not making any loss. So if in your example you have all the amounts on minus, then you want to change the units sold here or continue dragging down the table until you find some positive amounts. If you have only positive amounts, then you need to decrease the amounts of units sold. So if you want to create a chart, we would highlight these two columns, and then you press and hold the control button and you highlight this column as well. And then we go to insert, and from there we go to line charts, for example this one, and then we can call it break even point. And I'll just drag it down so you can see it better. And as you can see, we have our revenue, which is the blue line, total expenses, which is the gray line, and our fixed cost, which is the orange line. Now we can see the break-even point right here, but it says that it's at 4, which doesn't really make sense because it's supposed to be at 50 units. So we need to adjust our chart a little bit. So you click on the chart, you go to this button here, then select data. And here we want to change the horizontal labels. So you click edit, and then we highlight the units. And from here you press OK and OK. And as you can see now, we have our break-even point at 50 units. So that's all for today. And if you would like to find out more about accounting for small businesses, please check out my channel. And if you want, you can check out our website. We have some accounting courses for small business owners. We cover various topics, so everyone will find something interesting there. We also have a library of free resources. And of course, I post daily on my Instagram account. So if you're looking for some tips, follow me. All right. Thank you. Bye.